Hi and welcome to my channel again. I'm gonna fell this pine tree behind me today. It's leaning quite severely, so I'm gonna use that for material for some projects. I'm gonna take the opportunity to talk about lining up your face cut and your back cut when you're felling with an axe. And you do that by switching between the left and right hand grip. So I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm making my face cut now, and I'm holding the axe with my right hand closest to the head. And as you can see now, the cut is tilted quite a lot away from the side of the tree where I'm standing. And if I was to move to the other side of the tree now, cutting with the same grip, I would get a back cut that lines up a little bit like an X in relation to the face cut. And doing it like that, I will not get much of a functioning hinge wood in the middle of the trunk, which you want, of course, for a controlled takedown of a tree. So when I move to the other side of the tree now, I'm changing and grip the axe with my left hand closest to the head instead. I want to make some marks so I know where the face cut is, so I cut slightly above that with my back cut. Yeah, gives me a pretty good idea where to cut. And now I'm holding the axe like this with the left hand in front. Very slowly and controlled, it falls with a complete hinge all over the entire width of the tree. Give it a little bit more help here. And there we go. And as you can see, my face cut lines up with my back cut. I was a little bit high on this, I'll admit to that. Should have been 2 inches lower perhaps, but it worked nevertheless. Perfect hinge all across the trunk. Whereas if I would have cut the back cut standing like this, that doesn't give you much control when the tree is starting to fall. You can flip back or go to the sides or anything. Pretty dangerous actually doing it like that. But if you do it like this, and it's not that hard learning to switch grips either, so if you do it like this, it's pretty safe. You have great control when you drop your tree. I was actually coming up here to continue with my hewing, of which I haven't posted anything on this channel yet, but I'm getting to it now. And the plan with the bottom section of this tree is to use it to make hewing trestles, so I can get the logs up a bit from the ground, so I don't have to hunch down and hew close to the ground. I did that in my first tries. You can see that on my other channel, my Able Ways. Not so great for your lower back really. So I'm gonna make trestles out of this portion here. Rest of the tree will be lumber for something interesting I will build later on. Right now I'm not quite sure what, but if you just come back to the channel, preferably as a subscriber, you'll see what that is. But maybe it's a pretty safe bet that the next video will be about when I make these hewing trestles. I hope I'll see you then as well. Until then, take care.